Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open your internet browser, then you have to tap here and select history, and here you have to tap on clear browsing data. Then you have to choose the file types which you want to erase from your browsing history, and then you tap on clear data. No history here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.